The nail knot. The nail knot is used to attach your leader to the end of your fly line. The winder was specifically made and designed to tie a nail knot. It's extremely easy to use because it clamps on the end of your line.
This knot requires and we'll start off by grabbing the tip of the tool and making sure the head is tightened all the way in, and then we're going to back it off or loosen it until you see the cross hole. Once you see the cross hole, take the tag end of your line and place it into the cross hole about 1/4 of an inch. While holding the tip, tighten the head of the winder, and now your line should be clamped into the tool. Next thing, we're going to take this piece of line, we're going to wrap it halfway around the tip and pull it back up through the fork. Now we're going to wrap it around one time, and then we're going to hold the handle and start rotating the tool just to create nice little wrappings. 6 or 8 of these is about all you need. You want to bring it up here, place your finger on the wrappings. It's really important to keep tension on them. And then I'll put my thumb on the bottom and my other index finger and just pinch everything and hold it together. Now you want to take the tip of your leader and slide it under the wrappings and out through the tip. Get a hold of it and pull it down tight. If you noticed, we just tied a nail knot, but we didn't have our fly line under the wrappings. We're going to just take the line now, our fly line. Don't slide it into the cage, we just want to slide it under the windings and out through the tip. And from this point, make sure you have a good 1 or 2 inches hanging out the tip. We're going to grab the very first little wrapping and spring it loose off the tip. This will make the whole knot come loose. So now, very slowly, pull on the fly line and the leader and the tool, pulling everything away from each other, and pull it down tight. Once it gets to this point, take the fly line before you do a final tightening and scoot it back so it's close to the end of the line, so you waste as little of your fly line as possible. Now take and rotate the winder a couple of times around to hold it down nice and tight, and grab the other piece of the leader attached to the fly line and pull on both ends to tighten it down. And it's okay if it breaks off of the clamped end. We're going to clip that off anyways. We're going to take and cut this tag end off, and you want to cut it all the way up to the knot. And we also want to take our fly line and cut it all the way up to the knot. And there's the nail knot, the finished knot.
The surgeon's knot. The surgeon's knot is used to attach a piece of tippet to a leader. It's the quickest method for doing this. It can also be used to make custom leaders.
This knot requires